Are you excited to go to the beach today, George? I am excited. Let's go! Alright, let's shut the door and go to the beach. Look, Peppa, we're here!
Wow.
I know, George. Isn't it so much fun? I want to play in the sand. Look, Peppa, I found something interesting. What is it, George? What did you find? Pirate's treasure? George, let's find them all and take them home with us. Hooray! That sounds like fun!
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, George, we found 6 coins.
Wow.
Let's make sure there's no more. Ugh. Ah. Ugh. Do you see any over there, George? Let me look. I don't see any over here. Let's take these home to show Mommy and Daddy. Good idea, George. Peppa, George, how was the beach? Daddy, look what we found. We found treasure. Mommy, Daddy, look at all the treasure that we found. Wow, that's amazing. Here comes Kylie. She wants to play with Peppa. Hi, Peppa. Hi, Kylie. What are you doing here? I wanted to come play. Kylie, look at what we found. Wow, Peppa, look at all the treasure you found. How many coins do you guys have? Why don't we count them and find out? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Good job counting with us.